Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 GMC Canyon. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a GMC bed liner here and the soft cover on top to keep the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls are here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo, climate controls, and then you have your dual heated seats here, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Canyon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.